We recently stayed at one of the newest hotels along the Virginia Beach oceanfront. Kind of. This building has existed as an oceanfront hotel since 1970, if Google is correct. It was previously a Quality Inn and Suites, but after shutting down for extensive renovations, it reopened in the summer of 2025 as Spark by Hilton, Virginia Beach Oceanfront. Spark is a Hilton brand that was founded in 2023 and focuses on offering a low-budget option with reliable quality through converting old hotels into this new brand. We try to check out new properties when they open along the Virginia Beach oceanfront, even if the new property used to be an old property. Here is the main entrance to the lobby. The parking garage is across the street, but there is a covered drop-off zone where you can drop off your luggage and fellow travelers before parking across the street. The lobby has a complimentary coffee station, as well as some grab-and-go snacks, drinks, and frozen foods available for purchase. There's a microwave in the lobby if you want to heat up some food, but you will not have a microwave in your room. And with that, let's head up to our room.
It's time for our room tour. When you enter through the door, there's a bathroom on the left. There was a button in the mirror which turned on an inset light that framed the mirror. Each successive time you pressed that button, it would change the color and brightness of the light. There was a hairdryer and some hanging hooks on the wall. It had a bathtub shower combo. Body wash, shampoo, and conditioner pumps are mounted on the wall of the shower. Outside the bathroom, there's a nook which contains some hanging space, an iron and ironing board, some shelves, and a luggage rack. Across from the bathroom is a full-length mirror and some coat hooks on the wall. Our oceanfront room had 2 queen beds with a nightstand in between them. The room had a desk and desk chair. They gave us a snack and a couple of water bottles for being Hilton Honors members. It is free to join Hilton Honors, and members get a discount on the room rate as well. We couldn't find anywhere to charge our devices by the bed, which would have been convenient, but there are electrical outlets and charging ports on the desk, so we charged our devices there. There was a flat panel TV on the entertainment center with the mini refrigerator underneath. There were no drawers, but there were some shelves where you could stash some of your belongings. Under that, there was an ottoman you could roll out, which could serve as an extra seat. The cool thing about an oceanfront room, of course, is the view. We had a balcony. It was after dark when we checked in. But you can see the room overlooks the boardwalk, with the beach just beyond it. Here's what it looked like when the sun came up. You can see there was a good deal of wear and rust on the balcony table and chairs. But for the most part, everything in our room looked like recent furnishings, as you would expect in a newly renovated hotel. The room was clean and comfortable. Our one-night stay here on a Saturday in the winter off-season was $160.56, which included a $10 per day self-parking fee. The cost for this room on a Saturday night in the peak summer season would be about twice that price.
We'll go out to see the beach and pool area in a moment, but first, a free breakfast is included with your stay at Spark by Hilton. It is advertised as a bagel bar, where we each got a bagel with cream cheese, but they also had a selection of muffins, cereals, oatmeal, yogurt, and fruit. There was coffee and juice to drink. The breakfast area, as well as our room and the main lobby, all looked great with new furniture and paint and flooring. But there were a few spots through the hotel that did not look great. You saw the furniture on the balcony that was pretty rusty. The inside of the elevators looked beat up. There are ramps in the hotel with handrails that appeared to be falling out of the wall. None of those things made us dislike this hotel, but they were reminders that this is an old property, even though much of it looked new. Hopefully in the coming year, they will work on updating these few areas to match the clean, modern look that you see in most places here. The outdoor pool was closed for the winter, but it looks right out onto the beach. The boardwalk runs right along the back of the property. The pool area has an ice cream shop right along the boardwalk called Frozen Delights, which we are sure is popular in the summer. They call their pool area the Aqua Social Club. There's a bar by the pool serving drinks and food during the summer tourist season. The location of this hotel is perfect for a beach vacation. It is on Atlantic Avenue, where you will be surrounded by good restaurants and fun attractions. The beach and the boardwalk are steps away, and the price is reasonable compared to many of the expensive beach resorts you could choose. We enjoyed our stay and would definitely recommend Spark by Hilton for your next beach trip. Click the links at the end of this video to see some other Virginia Beach hotels we recommend. And be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so we can see you the next time we're traveling through.